Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to download as well as how to sign in to Word on your Apple device. To begin, we're going to launch the App Store. It looks like this. Once the App Store is up, at the top of the search bar, we are going to search for Word. Once we hit enter, you can see that Word was the first result to pop up. For this demonstration, I've already downloaded Microsoft Word, so you will have to do this step yourself. All you need to do is enter in your Apple ID and you can start downloading. Download time may vary due to internet speed. Once your download is complete, hit open at the top right. Once we are in Word, it's going to ask us for our student email. That's going to be our first name, period last name, @asub.edu. For this portion, I'm going to enter in my password, and then I'll be back in a moment. Once I enter my password, I'm going to hit sign in. Once Word pops up again, I'm going to choose the Settings tab at the bottom right, and then we can see the account we signed in with during this demonstration. That was how to download as well as how to sign in to Word on your Apple device. If you have any other questions, please feel free to come by the Vanguard Technical Support Center, give us a call, or send us an email. Thank you and have a great day.